Hello, myself Sunil Ramushan. This is next level. So by default, basically, it's handled by Indian Army only, basically. So 1% of the yes. So Pakistani Army basically are controlled by Indian Army. Then do you think basically war will happen? Basically? Chinese Army basically are handled by Indian Army. Do you think basically war will happen? No. So 1% all that. Like this, basically things are getting controlled basically. So 1% told that like this, basically the entire companies basically are handled. So that basically we saw basically. But this was something new basically. 1% told that this way basically companies handling basically. That we also basically got this information just now basically. So here 1% told that like this also basically companies are controlled. So we are not going up to that basically. So here again back to our topic basically. One person asked the question basically. $1 equal to 95 rupees basically. How that is calculating basically. So 1% told that is basically calculated with set of parameters basically, which long before basically the books are created for the economist, for the currencies by the RBI group basically. Lots of books are created. RBI groups also basically has created lots of books basically. The RBI governors basically are there. The people who already been a governor, they basically share their experience through the books basically. So they also basically creates the books. So this one assume that basically one of the person basically told that basically this thing basically we also don't know basically. That is basically Sunil basically just now told that how basically the $1 equal to 95 rupees basically. That is, for example, India land and America land basically are connected with this oil creation. That is the 5 lakh building, 15 lakh liter oil basically produced basically. How basically that we have already discussed.